Lesson number 11. Now or later. Chris, where are you going? I'm going to the store. I need to buy something. Really? I need to go to the store too. Would you like to come with me? Yeah, let's go together. When would you like to go? Now. What? Now would be better. Okay, let's go. Should we walk? No, it's too far. Let's drive. Lesson 12. Do you have enough money? Laura, what are you going to do today? I'm going shopping. What time are you leaving? I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock. Will you buy a ham sandwich for me at the store? Okay. Do you have enough money? I'm not sure. How much do you have? I have $25. Do you think that's enough? That's not very much. I think it's okay. I also have a credit card. Let me give you another $10. Thanks. See you later. Bye. Lesson 13. How have you been? Hello, Bob. Hello, Fred. How have you been? Not too good. Why? I'm sick. Sorry to hear that. It's okay. It's not serious. That's good. How's your wife? She's good. Is she in America now? No, she's not here yet. Where is she? She's in Canada with our kids. I see. I have to go now. Please tell your wife I said hi. Okay, I'll talk to you later. I hope you feel better. Thanks. Lesson 14. Introducing a friend. Robert, this is my friend, Mr. Smith. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Mr. Smith, what do you do for work? I'm a doctor. Oh, where do you work? Boston Medical Hospital. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What do you teach? I teach English. Where? At a high school in New York. That's nice. How old are you? I'm 32. Lesson 15. Buying a shirt. Excuse me. Hello, sir. May I help you? Yes. Can I see that shirt on the top shelf, please? Sure. Here it is. How much does it cost? $50. $50? That's too much. How about this one? It's on sale for only $35. I don't like that one. How about the one next to the black gloves? That's nice. How much is it? $30. That'll be fine. Is this color okay, or would you like a different color? That blue one's fine. Do you need any more of these shirts? Yes, please. How many do you want? I'll take 2 more, a red one and a white one.